So, good day sa lahat na nanonood ng video na ito, no? And once again, Christopher Valdez. And on this video, tatalakayin naman natin is all about how to create a very compelling marketing pages. Okay? So, ito yung topic na marami pa din yung nahihirapan. And ito yung topic na lagi pa din itinatanong sa akin ng mga followers ko. Kumbaga, ito yung isa sa mga frequently asked questions na ibinabato sa akin. Okay? So, this time ay ginawa ko yung lahat na makakaya ko para maintindihan ninyo ito and para ma-visualize ninyo ito. So, ito yung ilan sa mga matututunan ninyo dito sa video na ito. So, una is i-define muna natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng isang page builder software. And then, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung pinaka-basic na squeeze process. So, itong squeeze process na ito, dito mo pwedeng i-convert ang isang visitor into a buyer or into a long-term business partner. And then, i-introduce kita syempre dun sa page builder software na gagamitin natin para sa ating marketing pages, which is itong Rocket Pages na ito. Tapos, bibigyan kita ng idea kung bakit Rocket Pages ba among others yung napili ko at nire-recommend ko na gamitin mo, features and benefits wise and pricing wise, no? And lastly, sa part ng video na ito, i-guide naman kita step by step kung paano mo i-create yung first ever squeeze process mo para makapagsimula ka na kagad mag-generate ng leads through your lead capture pages and hopefully later on ma-convert mo sila bilang hungry buying customers mo. So, wag na natin itong patagalin and umpisahan natin ito by defining what is a page builder software. So, a page builder software is a software that is designed to create marketing pages that will generate leads for you and convert more sales. So dito, napag-usapan naman natin, diba, on how important list building is for our business. Tama? And ito yung isa sa pinaka-the best na paraan para ma-build mo yung very responsive at napakalaking list mo. By simply creating lead capture pages and other marketing pages using a page builder software. So, these are your lead capture pages, sales pages, thank you pages, download pages, webinar pages, and other marketing pages. So, this time, pag-usapan naman natin yung basic squeeze process. Okay? So, sa isang basic squeeze process, meron itong 6 steps. So, dito, gusto ko ipakita sa iyo yung buong flow at yung buong concept kung paano ang isang visitor mo ay pwede mo siyang ma-convert into a lead and then later on into a buyer, no? So, tulad ng sabi ko, meron itong 6 parts and gusto ko lang i-remind ka that this is the basic squeeze process. So, swak ito kung newbie ka pa lang or inaaral mo pa lang ang internet marketing strategy mo for your business. Marami kasing paraan para ma-expand ito, no? Pwedeng gumawa ka ng mga upsells, pwede kang gumawa ng mga downsells, and marami pang proseso na para ma-expand mo itong basic squeeze process na ito. So, itong basic squeeze process na ito, yung ise-set up natin doon sa second part ng video na ito. So, abangan mo yan, no? So, step 1 is you need to drive traffic. So, kailangan mo talagang maglaan ng oras to drive traffic papunta doon sa lead capture pages mo every day. And ilan sa mga paraan, syempre, through your blog, through Facebook marketing, through other social media networks, email marketing, SEO, nandyan yung banner ads, solo ads, AdWords, and syempre marami pang paraan on how to drive traffic to your marketing pages. Dapat lagi nating tandaan na kahit gaano pa kaganda kasi yung value na gusto nating i-offer or gusto nating itulong sa ating mga audience, is baliwala ito kung hindi naman nila ito mapupuntahan at hindi nila ma-access yun. Tama? So, you really need to drive traffic to your website and to your lead capture pages to build your best asset, which is your list, no? Kaya importante talaga na maglaan ka ng oras to drive traffic to your web pages every single day. Dahil kung hindi, walang bibisita at walang makakakita kung ano man yung ino-offer mo. And magtataka ka na lang why you are not making money online. Okay? So, in driving traffic, you need to pay for it. So, there are 2 ways on how you're going to pay for it, no? Pwedeng bayaran mo ito through your money. So, ito yung mga paid ads mo, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, solo ads, AdWords, and other paid ads na pwede mong gamitin. Okay? And the other way is you pay for it by investing time to drive traffic. So either way, kailangan mo talagang mag-drive ng traffic. Okay? Step 2 is lead capture page. Lead capture page, ito yung page kung saan mo papupuntahin yung na-drive mo ng mga traffic. And ang isang lead capture page, ang buong purpose niya lang is to capture the email address of your subscribers. Yun lang at wala lang iba, no? So, ito yung page kung saan pwedeng mag-subscribe yung mga audience mo. And dito, meron yung tinatawag na one-step lead capture page at saka yung two-step lead capture page. And to give you an idea, okay, magbigay tayo ng example. So, ito ang isang example ng one-step lead capture page. So, one-step lead capture page yung tawag dito kasi once you access this page is makikita mo kaagad yung web form dito. So, dito sa web form na ito, dito i-enter nung audience mo, nung visitors mo, yung kanyang details, which is dito yung first name tsaka yung email address, okay? So, once your visitors click this get instant access, ma-access niya ngayon yung training video series on how to get ahead in your networking business. So, two-step process naman is parang ganito siya. Okay? So, two-step process siya kasi hindi mo makikita rito kaagad yung web form ng page na ito. Makikita mo lang yon once you click this call to action, give me my free report, dun lang magpapakita or dun lang magpa-pop up yung web form ng lead capture page na ito. Okay? So, ayan yung talagang sikreto or yung difference ng one-step process tsaka two-step process. Okay? So, step 3 naman, thank you page. So, dito sa thank you page, ito yung page kung saan mare-redirect yung subscriber mo upon entering or upon registering his or her email address dun sa lead capture page mo. So, to give you an idea of a thank you page is magbigay tayo ng example. Okay? So, ito ang isang halimbawa ng isang thank you page, no? So, dito, basically, magti-thank you ka lang sa subscriber mo for taking action in registering his or her email address dun sa lead capture page mo. And dito mo din siya i-inform na pwede na niyang puntahan yung email address na iniregister niya dun sa step 2. And better kung sabihin mo din dito kung ano ba yung subject line nung email na ipinadala mo, okay, dun sa kanyang email account. Upang sa ganon, madali niyang mahanap ito once na mag-login na siya dun sa email provider niya. And additional tip ko rin dito, no, ilagay mo dito na dapat in 5 minutes is ma-access na niya or ma-receive na niya yung email na pinadala mo. At kung wala siyang na-receive, is pwede niyang i-check yung kanyang spam folder at baka dun na-send yung email na naipadala mo. So sa ganitong paraan kasi, mag-guide mo lang mabuti yung subscriber mo kung ano ba yung susunod na gagawin niya. Okay? So step 4 naman is you are going to send email. So, upon entering his or her email address dun sa step 2, is dapat meron kang immediate email na nakaset up na marireceive ng subscriber mo. Okay? So, this is your welcome email. And ito yung isinet up natin dun sa video number 3 ng module na ito. Tama? Dun sa autoresponder mo. So, step 5 naman is yung download page mo. So, yung download link ng freebie or ng giveaway mo ay dapat nandoon sa download page mo and wala dun sa immediate email o dun sa welcome email na ipinadala mo upon registering to your lead capture page. Okay? So, sa ganitong paraan kasi, pwede mong i-offer sa kanya yung mga affiliate offers mo or i-send mo sa kanya yung link ng iba pang valuable resources mo. So, ito naman ang isang halimbawa ng isang download page. Okay? So, dito ngayon ma-access nung subscriber mo yung iyong lead magnet. And ito yung lead magnet natin dito, all about dun sa free report. All about the top 10 objections ng ating mga prospects. Okay? So, ito siya. So, ma-access niya lang yon dun sa lead or dun sa download page mo. So, ito ang isang halimbawa ng isang download page. And finally, step 6 naman, monetize. So, dito sa step 6, dapat lagi mong tandaan na nasa isang business ka. Tama? Isa kang entrepreneur to make money online. And yung best recommendation ko sa'yo dito is kailangan mong i-monetize palagi yung back-end ng buong squeeze process mo. Okay? By simply offering your congruent affiliate products. So, yung pwede mong gawin, for example, dito sa download page mo na ito, pwede mo siyang imbitahan to go back to your blog para mas makilala ka pa niya. Or pwede mo ring i-offer dito, tulad ng sabi ko, yung congruent affiliate product mo. So, dito, makikita mo sa bandang baba is meron tayong congruent affiliate product na ino-offer sa kanya. Okay, so once na-click niya itong banner ad na to, is mapupunta siya ngayon doon sa congruent product mo. Okay, all about dito sa free training video series on the 3 little known ingredients you must have today to build a gazillion of qualified and super interested prospects. Okay, so once na i-access niya ito, enter niya lang yung details na ito, and i-access niya yon, is makukuha niya ngayon yung congruent affiliate product mo. So, ito yung buong proseso, yung 6-step process on how you can convert a visitor into a lead and then later on into a buyer. And again, itong lead capture page mo, itong thank you page mo, at saka yung download page mo, is i-create natin yan dito sa second part ng video na ito, no? And yung gagamitin natin na software in creating your thank you page, lead capture page, and download page is yung Rocket Pages. So, what is Rocket Pages? It is a simple and easy to use marketing page builder designed to help you skyrocket your lead generation and sales conversion. So, in short, it will help you get more leads and convert more sales very fast. So, it helps you bring your business to the next level by giving you a way to quickly and easily create, customize, and publish beautiful and high-converting marketing pages. So, ito yung tool na tutulong sa atin para makagawa ka ng lead capture page mo, sales page mo, webinar page mo, download page mo, at iba't ibang klase ng marketing pages na magagamit natin para sa ating business. So, ito yung ilan sa mga features ng Rocket Pages. So, una is easy and fast to set up. So, Rocket Pages ay isang software na wala kang ibang gagawin kundi point, click, and drag lang, no? So, lahat ng elements ng bawat template dito is very customizable siya. Pwede mong palitan yung kulay, pwede mong palitan yung image, yung size ng buttons, at marami pang iba. Okay? So, very user-friendly at newbie-friendly talaga siya. And for sure, magugustuhan mo ng malupit itong Rocket Pages na ito. Again, you can watch the second part of this video dahil ipapakita ko sa iyo kung gaano kadali na gamitin itong page builder software na ito. Next is dozens of ready-to-use templates. So maraming templates dito ang pwede mong gamitin at pwede mong i-set up for your marketing pages. So may templates dito intended for you to create lead capture pages. May mga templates dito intended for you to create thank you pages. May mga templates dito na nakalaan lang para gamitin mo para sa yung download pages at iba't ibang klase ng marketing pages na yan. Next feature, drag and drop editor. So tulad ng sabi ko, very user-friendly at newbie-friendly lang talaga nitong software na ito. Wala kang ibang gagawin kundi point, click, and drag lang. And then, meron ka ng very professional na mga marketing pages. Next is unlimited pages. So, gamit ang Rocket Pages, walang limit yung bilang ng pages na pwede mong i-create dito. So, kung marami kang products, pwede kang gumawa ng mga landing pages for each of your products. So, kung meron kang gustong i-recommend naman na product ng ibang marketers, pwede kang mag-create ng marketing page para may promote yung product na yon. So, unlimited talaga siya. Next is unlimited traffic. So, wala din siyang constraints sa number of traffic na pwede mong madrive papunta dito. Unlike sa iba na kapag na-reach mo na yung certain number of traffic na napunta or napapunta mo doon sa page mo, is meron kang additional payment dito. So, dito sa Rocket Pages, unlimited traffic siya. You can use also your domain name. So again, pwede natin gamitin dito yung ine-register natin na custom domain kanina, which is yung christophervaldez.net. So sobrang instant authority builder talaga itong Rocket Pages na ito para sa atin. Next is Facebook integration. So ito yung malupit, no? Ang kagandahan sa mga pages ng Rocket Pages is pwede mo siyang i-integrate sa ating Facebook fan page. So pwede mong ipakita yung page na na-create mo doon sa menu ng Facebook fan page mo. Okay? So ang lupit ng idea na ito kasi bihira lang itong feature na ito sa mga page builder na nagamit ko na at na-encounter ko na in the past. Next feature is autoresponder integration. So yung EMS or yung email management system natin, which is yung GetResponse nga na isinet up natin sa video number 3, ay pwede din natin itong i-integrate sa ating Rocket Pages. So dahil dito sa integration na ito, lahat ng mga magsusubscribe dun sa mga lead capture page na na-create natin dito sa Rocket Pages is mapupunta yun ngayon dun sa ating autoresponder. Next is with built-in training videos. So meron din itong mga training videos na pwede mong magamit para mas maging familiar ka pa sa bawat features at bawat elements ng Rocket Pages aside pa sa mga valuable tips and secrets na ibibigay ko sa iyo. Another feature, responsive customer support. So isa pang maganda sa Rocket Pages is maganda yung customer support nila. So yung help center nila is always there to help and guide you about your concerns dito sa Rocket Pages. So ito yung ilan sa mga features ng Rocket Pages, no? And this time, pag-usapan naman natin kung worth it ba yung value for money nitong Rocket Pages na ito. So, ihambing natin siya versus dun sa mga iba pang page builder software sa market na meron parehong features ng Rocket Pages. So, i-compare natin siya sa Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, at Instapage. Okay? So, unahin natin itong Lead Pages na ito. So, Lead Pages, I can personally say na maganda talaga yung mga marketing page templates dito kasi I personally use Lead Pages before, okay? So, pwede nyo bisitahin yung kanilang website sa http://leadpages.net. So, dito sa Lead Pages, it can cost you from $25 to $199 per month. So, that is around 1,100 pesos up to 8,900 pesos kung ang conversion rate ngayon is 45 pesos. So, nung ginagamit ko ang Lead Pages, gumagastos ako ng up to 1,100 plus per month, no? Kasi yung package na binili ko that time sa Lead Pages ay yung standard package nila. Pero after few months is hininto ko din yung subscription ko dito kasi bago pa lang ako during that time at wala pa akong budget para sa monthly subscription nila dito. So, ayan yung presyo ng Lead Pages. Again, pwede mong bisitahin yung website nila sa http://leadpages.net. Next is yung ClickFunnels. So, yung website naman nila is http://clickfunnels.com. So, yung kagandahan naman dito is meron itong 14-day na free trial. So, pwede mong gamitin yung ClickFunnels for 2 weeks for free. So, dito, meron kang dalawang package na pagpipilian. Yung isa is $97 per month and yung isang package naman is $297 per month. So, that is around 4,500 pesos up to 13,300 pesos per month. And to be honest, wala akong idea about this Actionetics and backpack features na ito kung bakit naging $297 per month yung isang package dito. So, nag-research ako and I found out that Actionetics pala ay isang tool that lets you learn more about your visitors within your marketing pages. So, based sa behavior ng traffic mo, dun ka magkikreate ng marketing sequences mo at makikipag-communicate ka sa kanila based dun sa behavior na yon. So, that is the wonderful feature of this ClickFunnels, no? But the sad part is, it will cost you up to 13,300 pesos per month. So, hindi siya advisable, especially kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang ng isang internet selling system mo for your business. So, talagang ninipis ka agad yung laman ng bulsa mo rito. And I think, yung target market nila dito is mga high-end professional marketers talaga. Yung mga bihasa na sa internet marketing at kumikita na talaga ng malaking passive income. And syempre, yung mga malalaking kumpanya na may budget talaga to get ClickFunnels. Okay? At yung pangatlo na page builder software is yung Instapage, no? So, pwede nyo bisitahin yung website nila sa http://instapage.com. So, tulad ng Rocket Pages, pwede ka din gumamit dito ng unlimited pages. Unlimited din yung visitors na pwedeng bumisita dito at pwede mong gamitin sa kahit ilan pang domain names mo. So, sa Instapage, it will cost you from $29 up to $127 per month. So, that is around 1,300 pesos up to 5,700 pesos per month when it is paid annually. So basically, kung babayaran mo ito ng annual basis, kung basic package lang yung kukunin mo, it will cost you up to 15,600 pesos per year. So again, you can visit Instapage sa http://instapage.com. And finally, Rocket Pages. So katulad ng Impact Instrument, you can pay it for a minimum of 995 pesos per month. So that will cost you a total of 11,940 pesos in 1 year. And the good news is kung kukunin mo ito in an annual basis, magkakaroon ka ng 41% discount dito. So that will only cost you na lang 6,990 pesos per year. Okay? Kaya katulad ng Impact Instrument, this is a good startup software in building your marketing pages. This is a good startup software para sa long-term passive marketing strategy mo. Aside pa sa very attractive yung mga pages dito, very engaging siya at napapanahon at very customizable talaga. So ayan yung price difference ng mga page builder around the market, no? And yung advice ko sa iyo dito is kunin mo kaagad yung 6,990 pesos na package para ma-avail mo yung 41% na huge discount nila. Imagine from 11,940 pesos is naging 6,990 pesos na lang ito, no? And malaking savings ito for you, okay? Pero kung wala ka pang budget talaga, you can get Rocket Pages for 1 to 3 months muna para ma-test drive mo ito at ma-prove mo sa sarili mo that is very valuable to your marketing efforts and how you can build a huge list and convert these leads into sales. Okay? Actually, Impact Instrument and Rocket Pages is owned by only one company, no? Kaya parehas sila ng presyo. And Impact Instrument and Rocket Pages is the banner product of Unity Network. And actually, kung kukunin mo itong dalawang tools na ito, is pwedeng madagdagan pa yung discount mo. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung paano pwedeng madagdagan pa yung discount mo dito, at kung paano ka pwedeng kumita ng additional income dito sa mga tools na ito, and makuha mo lahat ng mga bonuses na ibibigay ko sa'yo, ang pwede mong gawin is bisitahin mo yung upgrade page natin and panoorin mo yung instructional video doon. So once again, pwede nyong i-click yung button sa baba ng video na ito para ma-access ninyo yung official website ng Rocket Pages and for you to avail this tool as your page builder software. So dito na nagtatapos ang video na ito and I want to see you on the second part of this video dahil isa-set up na natin yung 3 marketing pages na gagamitin natin para sa ating squeeze process. So ito yung ating lead capture page, yung ating thank you page at saka yung ating download page. So once again, this is Christopher Valdez and see you on the second part of this video.